guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have not one but two boxes from a company called My Secret Garden. So this subscription box is $39.99 a month, and they sent me two boxes so that we could get a better idea of the types of things that you would get in this box. Every box has a different theme, and it's just sort of random stuff as far as I know. So let's open them up and see what we've got here. Okay, let's start with this shiny red one. They have an actual physical store. Let's see, it's from Bay City, Michigan. Okay, so if you live in Michigan or thereabouts, you can actually go into the store and they have fun stuff, and you can actually pick up your subscription box so that you don't have to pay shipping. And the shipping, I think, is $8, so it's $39.99 plus $8 shipping. Okay, so this is fun. This looks like a Valentine's Day themed box. Let's see what is in here. Love Bomb. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a bath bomb, but it's in the shape of a pink heart. I wonder if I can smell it. Oh, it smells like sweet, fruity. You guys, I have a cold, so I'm not gonna be able to smell anything very well anyway, but it's very cute, and that is exciting. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. So I just got this one from Julie Box. Slightly different, mostly just in color, but look at that, how funny. I'm gonna start a collection of these diamond pens. Oh, an infinity scarf. Oh, this is fun. It's lacy with little heart dangly bits on it, and it's an infinity scarf. How cute. Red cocoa hand treatment. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. I want to try it right now. It smells cinnamony, I think. Again, the cold, who knows? A nice hand cream, nothing too crazy. It's not sticky or anything. Okay, Village Hot Chocolate. Love You More Than Chocolate. French vanilla. Ooh, yummers. That is fun. I love vanilla flavored things. Oh, I'm really excited about that. The kids and I have been drinking a lot of hot chocolate lately. It's been so cold. And this is socks. I can already tell you I am gonna bust these out and wear these like immediately. I was just thinking today as I was digging through my sock drawer that I needed more fuzzy socks. These are so cute. Look at the little ruffles at the top. Oh, I love these. These are crazy cute, and they are soft, a good thickness so that I could still wear them with shoes, but they would also be nice and warm and fuzzy on my feet. So, oh, these are perfect. I love these. So far, so good with this box. Valentine's pretzels. You guys, if there is one thing I love in this world, it is chocolate-covered pretzels. I'm opening this right now. Oh my gosh, I really do. I have a thing like chocolate-covered pretzels and Cheez-Its. I can't not eat them. What do you guys have that's your like junk food that you can't stay away from? You know, like you just can't help yourself around. Tell me, I have to know. Chocolate-covered dried tart cherries. Okay, these I won't eat. I don't like chocolate-covered cherries. What's funny though is that I do love those disgusting cherry cordials. I love those. But these I won't eat, so these I'll save for somebody else. Oh, this is cute. Is this just a little notebook? I love little notebooks like this. Isn't that cute with the tree of hearts? And it's just lined pages. Well, that is a super fun box. It is just random, wonderful stuff. Some food, lotion, socks. I mean, come on, this is great stuff, right? A bath bomb. I love it. Oh, this box made me so happy. It's probably because there's a giant thing of chocolate-covered pretzels in here. And fuzzy socks. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so that's box number one. Let's do box number two. Autumn blessings inside. Okay, so this must have been, you know, for the fall, since it's no longer autumn. Let our hearts be full of both thanks and giving. I like that little dish towel. That's cute. I have so few Thanksgiving decorations, and I love the tissue paper. Okay, so the themes I'm seeing, definitely. Oh, I think this actually is what's in the box. I didn't see one of these for the Valentine's Day one. Huh. Okay, whatever. Live by the sun, love by the moon. Oh, it's a weekly planner. Okay, let's see. Just says keep track of events and tasks with this planner. This is cute though, right? Okay, yeah, so it just has, you know, your weekly squares of things. Oh, Monday, Moonchild Monday, Tribe Tuesday, Wanderer Wednesday, Free Thinker Thursday, Flower Friday, And then Saturday and Sunday, sunny days, starry nights. This is really cute. Aw, it's just adorable. Oh, okay, so you can put it up like this and then like set it on your, here, let's see, can we see this over here? So that you can stand it up and have it like that. That's really cute. I haven't seen any planners like this. I like it. It's a candle. What is this? Swan Creek Candle, roasted espresso. I wonder if that's what I'm smelling. Yeah, that smells so good. Oh my god. Oh, and there's glitter in it. Can you see the little bits of glitter on the top there? This is really cute. I like the jar, and this freaking smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I love the way that smells. Loving it. Is this a scarf? Oh, it is. It's an infinity scarf. They like their infinity scarves, don't they? And look at this. It's kind of dual-sided, and it's super fuzzy and soft. It's not itchy at all. I thought it might be itchy, but it's like the fuzziest, softest thing in the world. Oh, that's cuteness. I love it. I love the color scheme too. What is this? Party cracker seasoning? It's like a giant seasoning packet. Just add crackers and canola oil. Oh, okay, like kind of like a Chex Mix thing, it looks like. So yeah, directions: combine 1 2/3 cups of canola oil and 1 package of savory seasoning in a zip top bag and mix well. Add 4 sleeves of crackers, seal bag filled with air, tumble crackers in bag every 5 minutes or continually until all of the savory seasoning is absorbed. Let crackers rest in bag at least overnight for best taste. Store in an airtight container, refrigeration or freezer, or freezing extensively. That's interesting. Do they get soggy? I'm so curious. Oh, and they have different flavors. Cinnamon toast, garden dill, Texas chipotle, light salt, sweet barbecue. What is this one? The original savory. Okay. I am so curious about this. If you too are curious, follow me on Instagram and I will test this out and we'll see how it goes. Okay, what is this one? Country chicken vegetable. Oh, is this soup mix? Oh, that looks yummy. I'm definitely making this one. Vegetarian chicken stock. Is that just vegetable stock? I don't know. Anyway, it's a soup mix, so I guess you can add chicken if you want to, or you could just, you know, leave it out and it would still be vegetarian. Look at this. Is this a bowl or a mug, or could be both? Oh, this is fun. It has like this interesting shape to it. I was like, what is this weird thing? But it's for the handle. Cozy soup mug. Yeah, totally. That looks perfect. You could have a big bowl of soup in there. I love eating soup out of mugs like this. Well, I don't have any mug like this. This is unique. I'm excited about this. Let's see. Looks like a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings. Those are cute, right? They look like little leaves. Very fall appropriate. And they're nice and lightweight too, which I always appreciate. A blingity bling bling bracelet. That's fun. I really like that. And a necklace. Oh, this is a cool necklace. It's kind of in the way of my scarf, which I'm refusing to take off. But that's cute. You've got like this silver and gold. I like it. With the bracelet and these earrings. Let's try these earrings on. Those are cute, right? Oh, I like them. Very cute. Well, you guys, this is an amazing box. How fun. I'm so excited that they sent me 2 of them so you can get an idea of the types of stuff that they send and that they have these themed boxes. I love it. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box. You guys can check this out. Thank you to My Secret Garden for sending these to me. These were super fun boxes. I'm really excited. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!